Choosing a suitable set of decorative paintings reflects the high taste of the owner. How should we choose a suitable hanging painting for our location? Today I recommend two type indoor hanging paintings to you. The first one, Christmas LED light decoration painting. The picture is a very cute snowman design, at the same time embellished with warm yellow LED lights, suitable for hanging in your home on Christmas Day, adding Christmas atmosphere. Adults and children will be very happy a style you like. The second style, the design is composed of scented candles and massage stones, as well as some rose petals embellishments. This type of hanging painting is more suitable for some of our brick and mortar stores, such as hotels, bathing places and beauty places. Comfortable and relaxed state. Okay, that's it for today's sharing.